What's up guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you the all-new 2026 Polaris Ranger 1000 cab. So this is a Ranger 1000 Premium with a hard cab and heat. Very, very nice machine. So you can see, got this nice gray and black color on the outside. You do have a full glass enclosure just like the North Stars. Big heavy duty bumper on the front, and it comes with a 4,500 pound winch from Polaris. Some nice aggressive tires, some cool aluminum wheels, so you're looking good, you're feeling sporty, but you know, you got some tires here that are aggressive enough you're not going to get stuck, but you're not going to tear your yard up. It does have the hard enclosure, just like the North Star, so you get the big, nice, heavy-duty hard door. We got roll-down windows in this on the inside. We got the heating, ventilation system here. So you can see down here, this machine doesn't have air conditioning, but it does have a cool vent. You got heat, got your fan settings over here. Machine does have turf mode like the rest of the Rangers, so you can work, you know, around your yard, not tearing your yard up. This is a fixed windshield. It does not pop out like the other ones, but it does have an electric wiper on it. So it's not a manual one. You hit a button, it's going to work just like it does in your car. Machine is like the rest of the Rangers. It does have a dump bed on it, so it's easy up, easy down. Anybody can use it. You have a fully functioning tailgate. There's 4 tie-down points in here, so whatever you're hauling, you're going to be able to secure it. And as always, on the back, you got a full-size hitch receiver. Anything you want to do, this machine's going to be able to do it. It's going to keep you warm in the winter if you want to plow with a great machine for plowing. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, take it home.